Hello and welcome, travelers. Imagine breezing through airport security, boarding your flight with ease, and having everything you need at your fingertips, no matter where you're headed. In today's video, we're unveiling the top 20 must-have items for your carry-on that will transform you into the ultimate savvy traveler. From a game-changing gadget that's a traveler's best-kept secret to an essential item you've probably never thought to pack, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to make your next journey the smoothest one yet. A carry-on bag can be a traveler's best friend, especially when it's well packed. Here are 20 items that should always find a place in your carry-on. First up, a travel pillow. This little gem is your ticket to catching some much-needed sleep during long flights. Next, earplugs. Because let's face it, not all passengers make for quiet neighbors. Earplugs can be a lifesaver when you're trying to get some shut-eye. Don't forget snacks. Airline food might not be to everyone's taste, and hunger can strike at the most inconvenient times. Pack a few non-perishable snacks to keep hunger at bay. An empty water bottle is another essential. You can it up after security checks, keeping you hydrated during your journey. For entertainment, a book or e-reader can be a great companion. Whether you're a fan of thrillers, romances, or fantasy, a good read can make time fly. A portable charger is a must-have in today's digital world. It ensures your devices are always juiced up, keeping you connected and entertained. Of course, travel documents like your passport and boarding pass are a given, and it's always a good idea to have a copy of your important documents, just in case. A change of clothes can come in handy, especially if you're faced with the unfortunate situation of luggage. Basic toiletries like a toothbrush, toothpaste, and face wipes can keep you feeling fresh during long-haul flights. Remember to keep them in travel-size containers to comply with security regulations. If you take any medications, it's crucial to have them in your carry-on. This way, they're always within reach, and you don't have to worry about them getting lost with checked luggage. Next up, a pen. You never know when you'll need to fill out customs forms or jot down important information. A pair of socks can keep your feet in comfortable, especially in the chilly airplane cabin. Hand sanitizer and disinfectant wipes are essential in today's times. They can keep you germ-free during your travel. A lightweight scarf or shawl can serve multiple purposes. It can keep you warm and serve as a makeshift blanket or pillow. Noise-canceling headphones can block out cabin noise and let you enjoy your music, movies, or audiobooks in peace. A small first aid kit with band-aids, antiseptic wipes, and pain can be a lifesaver in case of minor injuries or headaches. An eye mask can help you sleep better by blocking out cabin lights. Tissues or wet wipes can come in handy for a multitude of reasons. A reusable shopping bag can be useful for any purchases you make during your trip. And finally, a travel adapter. Different countries have different plug types, so a universal travel adapter can ensure your device is always charged. These 20 items can make a world of difference to your travel experience, ensuring you have everything you need right within your reach. And as a bonus, there's one more item that can enhance your journey. A Bluetooth airplane adapter. This handy device allows you to connect your Bluetooth headphones to the airplane's entertainment system, making your flight even more enjoyable. Just as there are items that are essential to your carry-on, there are also items you should avoid putting in your checked luggage. First on the list are valuable items. These include jewelry, watches, and any valuable artifacts. The simple reason is, your checked luggage is out of your sight for a long period, and there's always a risk of theft or loss. So, it's better to be safe than sorry, and keep these precious items close to you. Next up are electronics. You might be surprised, but your laptops, cameras, and other gadgets are safer in your carry-on. Checked luggage goes through a lot of handling, and your delicate electronics could easily get damaged. Not only that, but the cold temperatures in the cargo hold can also affect your electronic devices negatively. Now let's talk about important documents. Passports, driver's licenses, credit cards, and any other important papers should always be with you. Perishable food is another category to avoid in your checked luggage. Even if it's your favorite homemade treat or a delicacy from your travels, remember that your checked bag isn't refrigerated. The food may spoil, creating a mess in your suitcase, and possibly attracting unwanted attention from customs. It's all about being smart and thinking ahead. To sum it up, packing the right items in your carry-on and avoiding certain items in your checked luggage can make your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, the essentials for your carry-on include items for comfort like a neck pillow and earplugs, entertainment necessities such as books or a tablet, and practical items like a reusable water bottle and snacks. And that's a wrap on today's journey with Jet Set Explore Hub. We hope you've discovered some invaluable insights that will make your next adventure even more unforgettable. But as we all know, sometimes the unexpected happens, and our well-laid travel plans take a detour, especially when it comes to our luggage. In our next video, we're diving deep into the world of lost and delayed baggage. A traveler's nightmare, but one that doesn't have to ruin your trip. We'll share essential tips on how to handle these situations with ease, ensuring your travel spirit remains unshaken. From what to do the moment you realize your luggage is missing, to how to maximize your chances of a swift reunion with your belongings, we've got you covered. So if you've ever faced the frustration of lost or delayed luggage, or just want to be prepared for anything the travel gods might throw your way, make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and join us next time on Jet Set Explore Hub. Your global odyssey awaits, and we're here to make sure it's smooth sailing, or should we say smooth flying. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and as always, safe travels.